All right, guys, questions? Do you have any questions? Okay, all clear. Now I'll tell you a couple news, just share with you. Uh, I put additional training videos, trading shares at TWS platform and trading options at TWS platform. So you need to go to globalinvestmentclubnetwork.com. Slides, no, usually I don't provide the slides. Um, but video, you will be able to watch the video again. I can put PDF files if you want, just to reminders like notes. If you want, no problem, I can do that. Okay, so then just to share with you, I held a couple events in what is the TWS? TWS, it's a trade working station. It's interactive broker platform. Now, I had a couple events during last month. I went to Turkey and I was presenting in front of investors at Sachs Invest hedge fund. It was pretty nicely done, organized, absolutely fantastic event. Loved Turkey, enjoyed it a lot. After that, I went in Kiev and our club members, they organized quite big event here. There was about 150 people at this event. And then we had a one-day event, psychology of like trading successful people, like financial successful people. Also quite a fantastic audience. And then while I was running that, I was invited to Moscow. Didn't expect that, but still went to Moscow, and we had event in Moscow, also pretty successful, very interesting, but mostly it was for investment club members because it was a very short period, like 3 days to organize, but still quite interesting event in Moscow. Now, at the moment I'm in Yekaterinburg, where my parents live, and now I'm going to travel a bit more in recently. So for Australia, I want to say I'm going to be back about 5th of March, so I delay my trip. So I was planning to come back 19th, but that hedge fund asked me to travel to Germany, and I'm going to go to Germany to speak in front of the investors in Germany about like the strategy, because in that hedge fund specifically, our students, they like a couple of our students already work, and they know our strategy, so they wanted me to go and explain how our strategies work, because they showed really good profit last year, and investors, they're curious how they made it, so that's why they asked me to travel there. Absolutely amazing trip. Okay, in Australia we're going to have investment club meeting, so when I come back, probably 5th, on the 8th, so it would be first meeting on Friday. Usually we meet on Monday, so this is going to be on Friday. Although we can meet maybe on weekend, so I haven't announced it in Facebook yet because it's quite a lot. Oh, is it 8th? Okay, 9th. Friday is 9th. Okay, so 9th of March. Is it? Oh yeah, sorry. No, it's actually 9th, Dory. At least I see it. Uh, Friday is 9th. Yeah. So, or we can probably, yeah, 9th, correct. Or sorry, it's 9th March. Or we might meet it on Saturday, whatever. Then we're going to have introduction events for those, if you have some friends who want to learn it more, so invite them. The confirmed date, Thursday, 15th of March in Parramatta, but also we try to arrange the date for 13th of March in Cloud Bradford. This date, the first one is not confirmed, but as soon as we confirm it, you're going to receive an update on that specific page, globalinvestmentacademy.com, so you can see it. And probably we'll do it within next couple of days, so you'll know. Now, for guys who speak Russian, there are much more news here. We're starting advanced option strategies, which we cover about 24 strategies there. That would be globalinvestmentacademy.ru options. So we'll start it in a couple of days. So on Thursday would be first class. On that, it would be live event for 2 months running. So if you speak Russian, you're lucky, you can click here and go and join it. Now then 24th of February, live event in Hamburg. Then 27 February, I'm flying to St. Petersburg, Russia as well, speak in front of some investors. And then we talked about it for quite a while, and eventually we organized a retreat. Again, sorry guys, who doesn't speak Russian, but for Russian audience, it would be amazing 11-day, 11-night retreat, investment retreat in Koh Samui. I found a great, fantastic person. He organizes individual, not individual, like tours for groups, but not like everyone else. He travels all around the like world. I met him in Australia in January, and he was getting information about New Zealand and Australia because he's planning to organize a trip to New Zealand and Australia for his network, and then he helped me to put this retreat together. So the way it's going to run from 20th of April, maybe 4 days, we're going to disconnect from the world. So you go there, and 4 days he's going to bring like elephant ride, waterfalls, beaches, you know, so food, or to show this Koh Samui Island. It's one of the most amazing places in Thailand, okay, when you go. And then after 3-4 days, when you disconnect from your problems, issues in business, at work, and etc., then we run investment retreat. And that would be a lot of psychology there. We're going to look why some people see the trades, once people don't see the trades. We're going to look how to get rid of the ceiling, like glass ceiling, which a lot of people have with their incomes. They cannot break it through. They make, for example, $5,000 each month, and they cannot go higher regardless what they do. And the problem sometimes not because they don't know the strategies. They know the strategies, but something like that, and they don't know what. We're going to break that ceiling during that retreat. Also, we're going to work on a portfolio. For those who already have experience, we're going to be going through the screening process. I'm going to show you how I do it personally, and then we're going to analyze the companies. We find the deals, and by the end of retreat, we will have few companies in portfolio extra additional, and some people who have their account opened, of course they will have already trades placed and made some money. Like if your account big enough, you might cover all the trip to that event by doing this trade. Okay, so and then in another 3-4 days after that, it would be your own time. After retreat, you always have to take some time to like embed the knowledge into your life, because I've been to many retreats, and what I found when retreat is over and you jump back to the your life, quite busy life, you forget, you don't have enough time to integrate it what you learned. So that's why we leave a few days after the information like itself, in order for people to integrate this information into like their real life. Okay, and also there would be working groups. You still will be working with other people who come to this event. It would be a quite small elite event, not more than 20 people. I presume like that's now our plan. So if you guys want to come, like I know Max, so you can come and enjoy it quite interesting. Okay, so and meet Russian investors from all over the place. All right, guys, that's the news. And if you have questions, please ask me. If you don't have any questions, enjoy the market, make money on the market, and I'll see you when I come back. Enjoy the sun for me. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, I will. Okay, all the best, guys. Talk to you. Bye-bye.